Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm very happy to have you here. If you're watching me right now, just know that I'm super excited to have you in this channel. I'm going to be sharing with you 5 mistakes I made as a beginner on YouTube. And I would not like you to make the same mistakes I made because they are not actually something nice, and I would like you not to repeat that same mistake. And number 5 is the very important one. So don't skip this video and stay tuned to the end so that you hear the most important one, which is the 5th one. So the first mistake I made when I newly started my channel, okay, I started my channel last year, 2024, November 2024, and I was super excited for having a YouTube channel. And you know that kind of thing now, you'll be very
Oh
happy
my
that you're now
God.
operating on YouTube level. Get it? Okay. The first mistake I made was that I told people about my channel, and the first video I posted, I was super happy. Wow. It's an achievement. When I posted the video, I told people about my channel and all that. One thing about telling people about your channel is it brings discouragement and also disappointment, because you will think that people will actually use because you told them to go and support you, but they will end up not supporting you. And some might even discourage you that YouTube channel is very hard to grow, you just don't do it. And this is how some people used to give up. Number 2 mistake I made was sharing my YouTube channel link. This is the worst of them, because when you share your channel link, the YouTube algorithm will take it that you get your audience from external source, and it will not push your videos out. But when you let the algorithm find out what fits your video and use its hands to push your video to people on YouTube, this is when you get your original audience. But when you share your link out to people that don't care about you, or people that don't care about YouTube, or people that don't even have anything to do on YouTube, they will just subscribe and just be there for nothing. They won't support you. So when you share your link outside YouTube, it affects YouTube growth, because if you check on your YouTube studio, you will see where there is a source where the YouTube shows you sources of people that where YouTube shows you where people comes to view your video, whether it's from YouTube search or whether it's from external app like WhatsApp or all the other social media. When YouTube notices that your viewers come from outside YouTube, it will not be pushing your video like that. Your video will just be there. So stop sharing the link to your YouTube channel. Let YouTube algorithm use its hands to find your audience on YouTube. Number 3 mistake I made was posting anything. I was just posting anything that comes to my mind. Don't mind me, I have a book and a pen because I don't want to miss anything. I wrote everything down, the mistakes I made, because I would not like you to miss any. So I was just posting random things and I was complaining of poor views. This is not how YouTube operates. You don't just come to YouTube and post anything. So the videos I posted at first did not even get a single view, and I was like, what's happening? It actually discouraged me. The next mistake I made was I give up easily. After I've posted without seeing views, I just gave up. Because I was like, what's the need of posting? I'm not even getting even ordinary like. I'm not even getting even a single view. The number 5th mistake I made was, this is the main. So if you have not been paying attention to what I've been saying, pay proper attention at this. The number 5th mistake I made was I did not study YouTube app and YouTube algorithm. I didn't take my time to study YouTube and understand how YouTube operates. I just like you entered a new community and started behaving anyhow. You did not even sit down to observe how the community behaves. You did not even sit down to learn their language, learn their culture. You just barge into the community and started doing anything you want to do. This was what happened to me. I didn't calm down to study what YouTube wants and what YouTube doesn't want. And this is one of the mistakes many upcoming YouTubers make. They will just post any random thing. Before you know it, you will just get copyrighted. You just violate copyright policy, or you violate YouTube policy, and you fall into trouble. So when you don't study, this is what happens when you don't study YouTube. Number one is that you will post any random things that will not give you views. But when you study YouTube, you will post things that, sorry, I got distracted. This is what happens when you don't study YouTube. If you don't study YouTube app and its algorithm, you give up easily because you don't know what to post, the right thing to post and the right time to post. You just posting anything, and at the point you get tired and get burnt out. You don't even know when it is trending, like when there is trending topic or trending anything that you need to hop into and create posts that will give you that views and audience that you want. So as a new YouTuber, first of all, calm down and research on YouTube how to grow your YouTube channel. Watch more than 10 videos about YouTube channel growth, because this is what I did exactly. I came back last month. I became very active last month. That is July. And when I came back, I was at 26 subscribers. I only had 26 subscribers. But as I'm talking to you right now, I have over 700 subscribers. So imagine growing from 26. Please ignore the background noise. Imagine growing from 26 subscribers to over 700 subscribers within 1 month. So this is because I calm down to study what works on YouTube and what doesn't work on YouTube. I started practicing what I learned that works on YouTube. This is how I was able to get to where I am today. Okay, in my next video, I'm going to be sharing with you the exact things I did that made me to grow from 26 subscribers to over 700 subscribers within 1 month. So do well to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so once I make a new post, you'll be able to see my post. Please like, comment and share.